right, Dan, thanks. Now to the latest developments on the devastating floods in south central Texas. The flooding is now being blamed on the deaths of at least 129 people, with dozens of others still missing.
And now a new complication in the ongoing recovery efforts. News 15's Ryan Chandler joins us from Kerrville with the very latest.
It really is the last thing that Texas needed. Some torrential rainfall dousing this area yesterday and this morning. That is complicating the search efforts going on in Kerr County and leading to more rescue missions, more flooding across central Texas. Now more areas outside of Kerr County like San Saba, Llano, Burnett, Lampasas are seeing major flooding on top of this catastrophe that is still ongoing here in Kerrville. Search and rescue and recovery missions were postponed yesterday, fearing rising floodwaters along the Guadalupe. The river did rise a bit, but nowhere near the levels that we saw last week. Yesterday afternoon, Kerr County did clear some search and rescue teams to resume their efforts in the western part of the county. So there is some optimism there, but the numbers are just staggering, with 160-some people still missing, at least, adding to a death count of 120-some people across central Texas. So these search efforts continue, with thousands of people showing up to donate their time, money, and energy to try and find as many answers as they can for so many grieving families across Texas. In Kerr County, I'm Ryan Chandler. Back to you.